But look at this, very nice. See what's in the box. Very nice. Hit LED and then it turns it on. Ah, look at this. There is some kind of leakage up there. Wow, you can almost see his heartbeat. And you can see the camera still pick up thermal. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to review the Teslong See the Solution thermal imaging camera. Just purchased this here on Black Friday. It's 40% off. So figure I'd do a quick review on it. You ask, why do you need a thermal camera? It's nice to have around the house. You can see, cold air coming in certain area of the house. Also, you can see like studs and everything up against the wall here. But look at this, very nice. Comes with a little case. Most of the thermal camera don't even have a case. So you guys ready for this? Again, this is a Teslong and it's 192, I believe, in spec. But let me move this box here. You guys can view it, enjoy it. It's got 3.2-inch screen. It's LED, has a built-in LED flashlight, thermal visual fusion PIP, laser distance measurement. So that's really nice. So I'm gonna go over the spec here. The model of this Teslong is a TM260. It has an infrared resolution of 256 by 192. Of course, the higher the infrared resolution, the clearer the picture you will get. And then the thermal sensitivity is 70 mK, and the lower number, the better your sensitivity will be. You'll be able to pick up more detailed heat. And then your frame rate is 25 HZ. Of course, the higher the frame rate, the clearer and less lag you will have on your screen, on your LCD screen. And then your temperature measurement range, -4 to 752 Fahrenheit. And of course, that's the tolerance, the difference. The higher difference, the more it can pick up. And your temperature measurement accuracy is ±2 Celsius, which is good. And it has 8 GB of memory storage, so you can store up to 8 GB of video and pictures on this. Let's see what's in the box. Very nice. Again, 3.2-inch screen. It's got you got your infrared, your LED lights, your laser light. You can see that, and a trigger to take pictures. And then it came with a power cord charger, and then you put this on. This is your strap. And I like how the case is very nice built, and then you got the instruction manual. So let's power on here. To hold this, power on. It takes a little bit, and then you got your battery signal there, and you can see here. So let's do the laptop here, and you can see the heat on it. Very nice. See my little puppy over here. See how I pick it up. Wow, you can almost see his heartbeat. You see the little black spot, darker area is the cold air. So it's very nice. You can tell there is a little delay in moving, and it has. You see how the AI is built-in temperature that fluctuates, telling you where it is. Let's take a picture. I'm gonna show you how. See how it takes a picture of it. There, and it saves into the memory card. And this is the laser. You see, I pressed the laser button here, and you see the laser on the wall, and then it tells you the distance. Okay, so here how you maneuver through the menu. You hit OK, and then you see I go left to right. You change the color palette, image mode, measurement, album settings. Let's see here, LED is all the way at the back, right. Hit LED and then it turns it on. You can see, very strong, very powerful. It has a battery life of 8 hours at state. So it's really simple to use. So we're out here in the garage here. Let's see what we can find with this thermal camera here. You can see here, this is the furnace. This is about 35 degrees today, so the furnace running. You see how the heat is coming off the furnace, and then you can see, let's see here, see if the door can be picked up with the cold weather outside. And you can see how the cold air is coming between the seam of the garage, between the panels. So it's telling you here, let me get this side here, you can see cold air coming in on the side. But yeah, it works really well. I recommend the product. Again, the water heater here, let's look at the water heater. Water heater is really well insulated, but you can see right there is a hot spot. So here I'm going to demo, guys, the thermal camera with my hand here. This is the hood of a car. Put my hand here so that the heat can transfer over to the hood. And I'm going to remove my hand here, and you can see the camera is still picking up the thermal, the heat from my palm. So let's take a walk here and let's see what we can see with this thermal camera. You see down here, down there, that you got the cold air coming in. And this nice feature is you got this laser. You click it and it shows how far I am away from the wall. But you can see the cold air coming in there. Pretty strong thermal camera because you can see the stud here. And then let's look up the ceiling here. Let's see what we can find. Ah, look at this. There is some kind of leakage up there. You can see the leakage up there. Usually a spot like that means, so I have to go check that out. So it's a pretty nifty camera. It does the job here. You can see. You see. Well, oh, look at that. What did we pick up over there? An alien? No, it's my son. He's just on his computer here. You can see the puppy. So it does a great job. Let me show you. I put my hand here and see if it's gonna leave a fingerprint, palm print here. Oh wow, look at that. That is cool. Tells you the temperature. Let me try it. Let me do it again one more time here, because you guys may not saw that here. I may not caught that on the camera, but there you go. It's telling the temperature of my palm. And then let's walk over here. You can see the electronic here. Example. It's picking up you see the sound ball. Even though it's not on, it is using electricity here. You can see that, the sound bar. So it's a nice thermal camera. It's nice to have around the house where you can see stuff. Just again, just like this here. Something's going on up there and see what's leaking and stuff like that. So do I recommend a product? Yes, I do. It's a little bit, it's a little bit slow. It does have some lag. Other than that, it's a great tool to have around the house, especially if you live in the north and eastern of the United States. It gets cold, you can find cold air coming in your house, and then you can insulate it wherever that needs to be, done to prevent the cold air coming in. And in the summer, you can also use it to find heat's coming in, It's a lot easy, good tool to have if you're a homeowner. Especially the price recently has come down. I got this for Black Friday, 40% off. The only thing I don't like a little bit about it is it does have a little lag. But if you want to spend a little more, there's ones that they have faster chip in them, so they won't have as much lag. But other than that, guys, I really recommend it. Until next time, guys. Until next review. Bye now.